This is the first stage of harvesting the tobaccos. See them right there? They are tied together. This is a very important string. We use it to bond the tobacco together, to keep them together before we bring them in the barn, okay? So this is a very important piece of cord, okay? So we have to keep them for a few hours, like 1-2 days, so we can have a pretty color. Look at this one right here. See where it changing colors? Look right here. And this one right here, see it changing color right here. It's changing like into yellow. It's a lot of work, but because I love what I do, it's like nothing to me. So I do look a bit of storage right now, so easier about 3 days. I've made them stay when they catch the color. This is a pretty leaf here, so I'm broad. They have a yellow color to it, so I've made them catch the color, give them some nice. I'm calling it hot brown. Need a pretty color. I feel now we are still doing more than farming at St. Elizabeth. Right now, 9-second machinery right there, so coronavirus right now, we can't do our jammers. So we just have the machine just put just like that. 9 seconds. And look right there, so specs tuning, 9 seconds of jam waist. I want to check out the brown lady too, you know. I have a special brown lady by the name Carla Satania Simpson, female driver. Just look out next year at jam waist. So right now we reach right now the curing era. So here we put it for like about 2 weeks. Then we can do some form of curing. Okay? So my time people tell us say 1 hand can't clap. But I feel 1.5 clap today here. There are little techniques now and then. So this is gonna stay about 3 weeks. It's gonna look just like this. Have a pretty color like this. Okay, so about 3 weeks time, we're gonna check back on them.